Hello, everyone. It's time for Silly Songs with Adam, the part of the day where Adam sings a silly song. And I have my friend, the dinosaur, here, and he's going to sing.
Yeah, let's go. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the dinos that I know. Bump, 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 ba-dum, ba-dum, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear dino footsteps in the snow. I'm dreaming of that white Christmas with every Christmas thing I eat. May your days be fun and have big feet. And may all your dinos be this neat. Ha ha! Thank you! Thank you, thank you, thank you.